Dear traders, I continue now with the stochastic oscillator. It's created by George Lane during the mid-50s of the last century. Very popular indicator of the member oscillators from the technical indicators in MetaTrader especially. So why I say a member from the oscillator, if you open the platform, you can see when you click on insert indicators, they're divided by trend indicators, oscillators, where it's actually the stochastic oscillator, volumes, Bill Williams, and custom indicators. This is what most of the MT4 platforms have. And of course, here you can add many indicators as well. But this oscillator indicator, stochastic oscillator, is very popular, and it's actually popular because it's meant to be a leading indicator. It was created nearly 70 years ago. What's the formula behind? We have the two lines. One is the percent K, which equals to the current closing price. Okay, CCL stands for current closing price minus the lowest low of the past n periods. Okay, and this is divided by the highest high of the past n periods minus the lowest low, one more time, of the past n periods multiplied by 100. Okay, so it's a percent. And the other line that we have is the percent D, which equals to HM divided by LM times 100. So HM stands for period sum of current closing price minus lowest low of past and periods of and past events, okay, divided by LM, simply standing for the M period sum of highest high minus the lowest low of the last n periods. Okay, and here are all the meanings. So CCL, guys, stands for current closing price. LN stands for lowest low of past n periods. HN is the highest high of the past n periods. Alright, and HM is n period sum of current closing price minus the lowest low of the past n periods. And the last one, LM, stands for n period sum of highest high of past n periods minus the lowest low of past n periods. So probably it sounds really complicated for you guys. One more time, I'm saying you don't need to learn this. You don't really need to learn this. It's just information for you to know how these percent K and percent D are calculated. And I will just show you on the chart which are these lines and what means the lowest low of past and events. Okay, so if I go to the platform, you see there are two lines over here. If I go to indicators list and I go to stochastics, I go to edit, you see K period is 17 and D period is 13. These are the last 13 and last 17 bars. So if we are on hourly chart, guys, we are talking about the last 17 hours. Okay, so if you count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 till the 17th, the highest high means the highest point of these 17 bars, and the lowest low means the lowest low, which is this bar over here. I will tell you exactly how much is that. It's 6022.50. Okay, because this is the lowest low of these last 17 bars. Because if you're on H1, we're talking about H1 period of time. If you change the time frame, obviously it will change as well. And normally this indicator is used with parameters of 933, but for this strategy it is used at 17, 13, 6 for better results. And what we have as well is this line of 20 and 80, which is called the overbought and oversold areas. So if you have a buy or a sell signal, and of course the buy signal is when the blue line is crossing the red line. Let me just remove these buttons because it's going back to the end, to the current moment. So if the blue line crosses the red line, okay, we have a buy signal. And if it is on the oversold area, it's accepted to be as a stronger signal. So you see from this movement, it's going down, and you have the cross of the stochastic, and it's really one of the best moments you can buy. You see, for example, here on the oversold area, so the area below 20 is oversold, so the price was oversold. Okay, so if you're following the trend and you want to trade only with the direction of the trend, and you actually use this stochastic indicator in the oversold area when you are following the uptrend, it gives you very good signals. As you can see, one here and one here, then the price is just going upwards, and you can use the opposite cross in order to take the profit, for example. But this is just, I'm talking how you can use the indicators, guys. Okay, I'm not talking about our strategy in this course. I'm just explaining you what are these lines, what's the formula behind, and what is the overbought and the oversold area. And of course, I will attach this PDF file if you want to know a little bit more in details the stochastic formula. Again, I repeat, don't spend time to learn this because you will really not need to do that. We're in 21st century. We have the expert advisors. We are using those. They do everything automatically for you. And with this semi-automated system that we are having here, you can just watch the indicators over your screen. But the expert advisor will be the one actually that will combine both of them and will open the trade for you. And I will continue with one more lecture about the envelopes, which is our exit condition actually. And of course, if you have any questions, guys, always write on the dashboard to ask me. Cheers, bye.